Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tone Oliver in bed, so that's me, and I've been taking My Little Ponies for a long time. And my favorite are My Little Pony, Cutie Mark Crew, and we're going to be opening this when I'm showing you some of my favorites. And I'm excited because this one is a prize, and I don't know what's in it. So let's get started. Pinkie Pie. Rarity. Featherside. Tie White. And there's also a mermaid in this one. Sunset Simmer. Apple Dot. Rainbow Dash. Oh wow. This one really likes to fall. Rainbow Dash. Pinkie. Rainbow Dash as a mermaid this time. And now it's decided. Opening the prize one. See, so a serene right here. Not. Oh.
Pick it up high. Oh no, that's gonna be nice.
What is smelling? Where's the prize? Oh, here it is.
Alright, I think you got it all out. That's good.
I feel her for her. And then cut. I don't know where to go.
We'll find it later. Just open your...
Wait, I think this is probably a duplicate. Yep.
Oh no.
But I'm okay with it. I found it. Hers has a dolphin. Dun. Here's the sand. So her just sand and her little dolphin. See? It's so cute.
Show closer. Ooh, I do like her little dolphin thing.
Yeah, I watched the other ones, so I'm happy I have her little dolphin. Yay! So cute. Okay, let's see what her name is. Wow. So I did math in here.
And then you can give the duplicate other one to your sisters, right?
Or I can do the one.
That's what I mean, that one. Yeah.
Yeah, because I like to cute little dolphin. Let's see, where is her? Oh no, is her not on here?
Yeah, she is.
I don't see her anywhere.
Well, and it doesn't say their names.
Oh yeah, oh
you
here
can check
it
it
is.
out. Just show them the pictures.
Here's all the My Little Ponies. Here's, now I watch her again.
That's okay. Just show them the real thing.
Right here. And this is what her was like. Her so cute. Let's check out the ones I already have. So cute.
Yeah, we can check them off after.
Yeah. Oh my god. Bye. costume and